Hi, you guys. Today we are going to make a very frugal meal. Takes a little bit of no time, takes a little bit of ingredients, and you got a full meal in about 20 minutes. All right. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll show you everything I'm using. We'll get it going, and that'll be that. Okay, here are all the ingredients we're going to use for our salmon croquettes, salmon patties, whatever you want to call them. We are using a 14.5-ounce can of pink salmon. And here it is. Now this salmon does have bones in it, so you can pick the bones out. I went through here and I got the big bones out. So now, right here's our bowl. Here's our salmon. And we're going to add that in here. And this, I just using one can because it's just me. Now, if you want to make more than maybe 4 patties, because I'm going to make small patties. So, and this is going to make about 4 patties, which serves, what, 1 to 2 people? So then I'm going to add about a half a cup of chopped onion. Then I'm going to add probably, let's see, maybe a teaspoon of garlic. Then about half a cup of breadcrumbs, and these happen to be Italian style panko breadcrumbs. Then this is my mixture of seasonings, which is seasoned salt, black pepper, dill weed, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then we're going to add our egg in. Now we're going to mix it up. I do have my gloves on, don't I? And this is so easy to make, and it's so good. It's really, really delicious. And the thing about it now, as I told you about the bones, these bones are so brittle that even if you left them in, some people actually leave them in, they it's not like they're going to stick in your throat. They're so brittle, they just crunch right along with the onion and all that stuff. All right, so that's our mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and get my oil heating up. I am using a cast iron skillet and probably maybe half a cup of oil. It's probably not even half a cup, but there's that. Let that heat up. And I don't want to cook this in like deep oil, but just enough to fry it. You guys also can put bell pepper. It's so many things that you can do with this as far as what you want to put in it. Because those were the ingredients I used for mine. But you guys can use whatever seasonings you want that you think you might like. This is not a lot of calories because this salmon is not a fattening food at all. It's full of protein. And there are my patties. And now my skillet is hot. So I'm going to add my salmon patties in there. Now you can also use flour as a breading for these. I just wanted to try something different today and use the panko seasoning. Now I'm not going to try and put all of them in there. I'll just do the 3 and let those cook for probably 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and they'll be ready to go. I just flipped them after 2 minutes, and we're going to let them cook 2 more minutes, and then we'll take them out. Put them on a paper towel, let them drain, cook the rest, and we'll be all done. Okay, here are our salmon patties. Took us all of 20 minutes to get them all done. So that is a very frugal meal right there, because this meal is less than $1 to make. Why? Because it came from the food bank. You guys can add your own sides to this, and there you are, complete meal, less than $1. Where can you go and get that? Your kitchen. So there you have it. Salmon croquettes, side dish, a meal, less than $1. And there you have it. Now we have to taste it. Good. Perfect seasoning. Delicious. All right, you guys, take care.